experiencing FPS drops in Valorant can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow this guide to help reduce those drops and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause FPS issues. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the settings menu in Valorant and adjust options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Consider setting the resolution to a lower value for better performance. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Disable unnecessary background applications and services that may be consuming system resources. You can do this by opening the Task Manager and closing any programs that are not needed while gaming. Additionally, ensure that your power settings are set to high performance in the Windows control panel. Step 4. Check for overheating. Monitor your system's temperature to ensure it is not overheating. Clean your computer's fans and vents to improve airflow. If your CPU or GPU is overheating, consider using a cooling pad or improving your case ventilation. Step 5. Use game mode and full screen mode. Enable game mode in Windows to optimize your system for gaming. Additionally, run Valorant in full screen mode instead of windowed or borderless window mode, as this can help improve performance and reduce input lag. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Valorant. Regular maintenance and adjustments can help ensure a smoother gaming experience.